Ken with WTI, and this is the GAOY Polygel Nail Kit with a UV light starter kit. And I really like this kit because it comes with 6 different colors. They're neutral, they're very nice, they're very natural. I think they can go with any skin color. And I also like that the mold comes with different shapes and lengths. As you can see, I mold mine to a shorter, but you can do any length that you want. You just put it under the UV light for 60 seconds. And it took me, as you can notice on the clock, it took me only a few minutes to do one nail. It's really easy to peel. It doesn't hurt when you peel the mold. And you can shape the edges and buff it out a little bit, and then you apply your top coat. And that's why I like GAOY Polygel Nail Kit, because it's really fast and easy to use, long lasting. The set can last you probably around 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how you take care of them. But I really like this set, and that's our point of view.